Okay, we got our second knot in there. And now we're going to come in, get the knot cutter. Can we give me that knot cutter? Good. Punch it in there. Okay, I'll cut that. Good. Okay, one more grabber. Let me double check. Grabber, please. So we've got 2 in there. We've gotten it. So we remember just go through what we've got now. We've tightened out in the back here. Now we've got 2 in the front. We're going to do 1 more in the front, and that'll keep this, bring that up a little tighter for you here. Okay, so Paul, let's see if we can reposition this bad boy right up to here. So you get it in there? Good, good. Really important those canyons stay inside the joint. And once, as you expand over time. Okay, good, exactly. Up on the cartilage edge, on the rim. Grab the rim. A little higher, a little higher. Right, a little higher. Yeah, that's it. That's right there. Mm-hmm. Good, all right. You hold that? Okay, pull the pin, I'll drill it. Watch my hand coming through. Hey, hold that steady. That's terrific. That's the most important thing. Good. Excellent. Hold that spot. I want that, right? Just like that. Okay, get that ready for the anchor. Thank you. My bottom. I can't see my bottom. Excellent. All right. Piston up. Pull it out. Excellent. We're almost done here. We're going to put this last suture in here. Okay, pull this out. Now again, watch. We don't pull up the correct one. Excellent. Everything looks good. Lasso. All right. Now, if I can, I don't know if I can get to, I'm going to come down through here. Kingfisher ready? All right. Let's see if I can get back. Okay, so I'm going to try and grab down here. Big loop up. Right there. See, that way we can shift this whole thing up. Okay. Different portal, right? It's kind of tough to, I'm blocking you a little bit. Actually, let me come through the other portal. Pull that out. I'm going to come the other way. Yeah, it's a little tricky. Okay. Okay, so I can get that here. I want to. Let's see, do I get that? That should be a pretty good loop. Good. You just grab it like that. That's fine. Pull it through. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Pull straight up. Excellent. Okay, now then pull this in to make sure it's in the loop. We got it in the loop. Good. And pull this out. Excellent. Okay, pull it through. That's your post. So hold it right there. Make that short. That's going to be short. All right. Excellent. This is our last suture I'm going to tie. Give me a snap, please. Thank you. Cody, everything's going very well. See, now this last suture is going to loop this up in here nicely. Let me pull this back. Your previous case, that lady? Excuse me, we're recording right now, please. A little firmer. Let me get right in. I want to get this a little tighter. Bring it up on top. Excellent. There we go. Yeah, I want to see that. I want you to bulk that as I piston in right here. Reposition that for me. Good. Angle. I want to come in right that angle. Now that's it. Pull it up for me a little bit right there. Okay, make it tight. Good. That's why I want to push that. Good. Excellent. I like that positioning now. That's good. So we want to shift it superiorly and then put it down to bone now. Good. Okay, now I'm going to come in right through here and just get in right to there and get that nice and tight. Okay, straight on. I have to come straight on in it. There we go. I want to get this angle right there. Reposition. Probe to me. First, let me probe this. Hold it. Yeah, that's nice. That's good. Good and tight. Little. Okay, good. I like it. Okay, good. Almost done here, Cody. This is our last couple knots. We'll go to pause while we finish this.